Welcome to another CAAN tip where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're talking about fence upgrades. If you already have a fence, a few simple improvements can boost its appeal, functionality, and even its value. Step 1. Refresh with paint or stain. A fresh coat of paint or stain can instantly revitalize your fence. It not only makes your fence look new again but also protects it from the elements. Choose a color that complements your home and landscape. Step 2. Add decorative caps or toppers. Fence post caps or decorative toppers bring style and sophistication to an ordinary fence. They come in various materials and designs: metal, wood, solar lighting, making it easy to match your taste. Step 3. Go green with plants. Climbing plants like ivy or clematis can add natural beauty to your fence. Attach trellises or plant boxes for flowers to bring vibrant color and life to your outdoor space. Step 4. Install lighting. Adding solar lights or lanterns along your fence provides nighttime visibility and creates a welcoming ambience. Fence lighting is also great for security and highlighting your yard's best features. Step 5. Functional upgrades. Make your fence more useful by attaching hooks, shelves, or racks for outdoor storage. It's a great way to keep tools or garden supplies organized without taking up extra space. Step 6. Enhance privacy. If privacy is a priority, consider adding privacy screens, lattice panels, or additional boards. This makes your yard more comfortable and enjoyable while enhancing curb appeal. Let's recap. 1. Refresh with paint or stain. 2. Add decorative caps or toppers. 3. Go green with climbing plants. 4. Install lighting. 5. Add functional storage. 6. Boost privacy. Simple upgrades can transform your existing fence into a standout feature. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.